Far above the ordinary world, there existed a place unlike anywhere else on Earth. A magical city built entirely from candy. Everything here was sweet. Everything here was colorful. And everything here was absolutely delicious. At the very center of Candy Sky Kingdom stood the greatest invention ever built, the Candy Storm Factory. This incredible machine created magical candy storms, sweet storms that filled the skies with colorful treats. And today, young Bibi had been invited for a very special visit. Bibi loved candy more than anything in the world, but she had never seen the factory from inside. Beside her bounced her best friend, Zappo, the electric jelly creature. Zappo was made entirely from living jelly electricity, and he never stopped moving. Suddenly, the giant factory doors opened. Standing there was the legendary inventor himself, Mr. Fizz. Mr. Fizz was the greatest candy engineer in the entire kingdom. Welcome, young explorers. Today you will see how candy storms are born. And helping inside the factory was Bubblebot, the fastest robot assistant ever built. Bubblebot could create protective bubble shields using compressed sugar air. The tour was about to begin. Thousands of machines worked together inside the factory, each one performing a different job. First, special rainbow sugar crystals were collected. These crystals stored incredible amounts of sweet energy. Bibi could barely believe what she was seeing. But have you ever wondered, how does candy become clouds? I know this one! Zappo shouted excitedly. The factory melts sugar into tiny, floating particles. Then it sends them into the sky. Exactly correct. Mr. Fizz laughed happily. Inside giant chambers, the sugar was heated to very high temperatures. Heat causes solid sugar to slowly melt into liquid syrup. Then giant mixers combine the syrup with flavor energy. Purple grape flavor, strawberry flavor, lemon flavor. Bubblebot carefully transported each flavor to the next machine. Finally, the candy storm generator activated. The entire factory suddenly shook with colorful energy. Outside, the sky itself began changing colors. A candy storm was forming above the kingdom. "It's beautiful!" Bibi whispered softly. But then, something unexpected happened. The factory alarm got activated, and the entire candy storm generator began spinning out of control. Every machine inside the factory began shaking uncontrollably. Something was very wrong. Mr. Fizz quickly ran toward the emergency controls. His face looked extremely worried. The candy storm generator was accelerating far beyond safe levels. Dangerous sugar lightning was beginning to overload the system. Bibi stared at the machines in complete surprise. She had never seen anything like this before. Bubblebot immediately began scanning the factory systems. Warning detected. Massive sugar pressure overload. Outside, the sky continued changing rapidly. The candy storm was becoming unstable. Instead of candy rain, a giant candy tornado had begun forming. The entire Candy Sky Kingdom was now in danger. But what happens when machines spin too fast? Can too much energy become dangerous? I know the answer! Zappo shouted loudly. When machines move too fast, they begin overheating. And parts can stop working properly. Exactly right. Mr. Fizz answered nervously. Inside the giant pipes, sugar pressure was rising dangerously fast. Bubblebot discovered the source of the problem. A pressure valve deep inside the factory had become blocked. If we do not fix the valve immediately, the storm will explode. Without hesitation, Bibi stepped forward bravely. "We can help fix it," Bibi said confidently. Mr. Fizz smiled. Perhaps teamwork could save the factory. The team quickly entered the maintenance elevator. Deep below the factory, the real challenge was waiting. The lower factory chamber was enormous. Even bigger than the city above, gigantic sugar gears were spinning dangerously fast. Bubblebot immediately found the damaged valve. Rainbow syrup was leaking from the broken pipe. The pressure kept rising. And boom! The entire room began trembling. The overload was becoming worse every second. Can teamwork solve difficult problems faster? What do you think? Of course! Bibi answered immediately. When everyone helps together, big problems become smaller. Zappo prepared to stop the energy overload. His electric powers could temporarily stabilize the machine. Bubblebot quickly created protective bubble barriers. Meanwhile, Mr. Fizz prepared the emergency repair system, but someone still needed to manually close the main pressure valve. That dangerous job belonged to Bibi. The entire machine was becoming dangerously unstable, and above the kingdom, the giant candy tornado continued growing bigger and bigger. Bibi was only seconds away from reaching the control valve. Then, a giant sugar explosion filled the chamber. The factory had entered critical overload mode, Bibi hanging above the giant spinning gears. Everything now depended on one final decision. Could Bibi stop the Candy Storm factory before the entire kingdom disappeared inside the biggest candy storm ever created? Bibi could feel the entire factory shaking beneath her feet. Everything now depended on her. The emergency lever was right in front of her. But the gears were spinning faster every second. Above them, the factory structure was starting to collapse. Critical overload detected. System failure in 30 seconds. Bibi, hurry! We are running out of time. Outside, the candy tornado was now bigger than the entire kingdom. Everyone in Candy Sky Kingdom looked up in fear. But here is a question. Can courage help us overcome difficult moments? Absolutely! Zappo answered immediately. Courage helps us act even when something feels scary. Bibi focused carefully. She knew exactly what she had to do. Then, she jumped. Her fingers reached the lever just in time. And with all her strength, she pulled. Instantly, the enormous gears began slowing. Bubblebot detected immediate stabilization. Pressure levels were finally returning to normal. High above the kingdom, the dangerous candy tornado began disappearing. The storm was finally ending. Warm sunlight returned to the sky once again. Mr. Fizz could finally breathe again. The factory had been saved. The entire team began celebrating. Also, colorful candy fireworks filled the sky. The kingdom had never seen a celebration so beautiful. What helps people solve giant problems together? Can teamwork really change everything? Yes. Teamwork makes impossible things possible. The entire Candy Sky Kingdom joined the celebration. Everywhere colorful balloons floated among the clouds. Mr. Fizz stepped forward proudly. He had something special for Bibi. For extraordinary bravery, the Candy Kingdom thanks you. Bibi smiled proudly. Today had been an unforgettable adventure. And now, the Candy Storm generator worked perfectly again. Sweet, colorful candy began falling softly from the clouds. The biggest candy celebration in history had officially begun. And so Bibi, Zappo, Bubblebot, and Mr. Fizz learned something important. Big challenges may look impossible, but courage, friendship, and teamwork can solve anything. And Somewhere inside another magical world, another colorful adventure was already waiting to begin.